Hello everyone, I would like to welcome Dr. Vijaya Kulkarni, who is the head of Electronics and Computer Engineering Department at Marathawada Institute of Technology. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being on our platform and taking out your time to be a part of an initiative Thoughts on Education. This
Thank you, Neha.
initiative, thank you, ma'am. This initiative will help to bridge the long due gap between the vision of the top management and the students. So, ma'am, first of all, I would like to have your introduction and please brief us about your profile.
Yes, I am Dr. Vijaya Kulkarni. I am head of the Electronics and Computer Engineering Department. I am associated with this institute and department since last 30 years. And my expertise in the area is wireless communication and digital communications.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, should we start with the interview?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, my first question to you is that what is the latest program that you're offering in your department, which will help the students to outperform and stand apart from the crowd?
The department is offering electronics and computer engineering engineering course or a program, you can say. And this particular course is affiliated to Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, Lonere. And the best part of this program is that this is integrating two separate engineering fields to meet the joint demands of electronics and computer industries in today's world. And it is also observed that among the Indian engineering aspirants, electronics and computer engineering has been a popular choice for quite some time.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, my next question to you is that what are the factors that make this program the best for the students to opt?
Yeah, when the students are choosing this particular program, that is electronics and computer engineering, one has to keep in mind that when the modern world is gradually moving towards technology-driven operations, this amalgamation, that is electronics engineering with computer science, would be an effective way out. To opt for the career as an electronics and computer engineering, one should have an inquisitive mind and an interest in applying science and mathematics to solve the real world problems. Because today's engineer is really going to solve the real world problems. And he is not only becoming a theoretical engineer. So keeping this in mind, he should apply science and mathematics to solve the real world problems. Also, one should know how to make optimum use of technologies to enhance the people's lives. So these are the factors that make this program the best to opt. Together with that, our department is regularly follow the blended learning model, wherein the students get an opportunity to enjoy the best of both the worlds. For example, a student might attend classes in real world classroom setting and then supplement the lesson plan by completing online multimedia courses or opting for the courses offered by NPTEL, Coursera, etc.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, my next question to you is that what will you say the best practices in the course you are offering?
Yeah, the primary focus of the department has been to impart a quality education and undertake cutting-edge research at UG and PG levels in the field. And the best practices the department undertakes or offers are initially when the students are coming to the institute, coming to the department to learn any subject, we are offering what I learn and why I learn. These are the two basic questions the student should know. When he comes to know about this, then all the basic concepts and why he is particularly opting for that course and why this course is being offered by the department, he will completely know about it. So, and this particular practice is inculcated in minds of the students, that is for both theory and practicals. The department also uses ICT for teaching and learning. Then a briefing description of experiments. The teachers, the faculty brief the experiment in the form of storyboard is conducted for the laboratory courses. So initially when they are coming, the storyboard kind of things are implemented for them by either block diagram or showing an animations so that the concept of a particular experiment is well understood by the students. Then based on how students learn, that is a philosophy, what is the pattern the students are learning, the department is trying to adopt a strategy which is called as a process oriented guided inquiry learning, that is POGIL, POGIL, which is a student centered learning, group learning, instruction strategies are studied by the department. Then inculcating, we are also allowing students to inculcate self-learning, teamwork, ethical values through quality circle initiatives. We allow students to undertake extracurricular training in the finishing schools also. Then another important feature is internships allow prospective engineering students to see the industry from professional perspective and allow them to spend 4 weeks time with current engineering practices in the multidisciplinary area at the industry and experience the industry life. Then another attractive feature that is a best practice we are adopting is we are mentoring students through our alumni. So this will, it is because the students learn very quickly from their alumni. And this is the practice we are adopting since long.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, please share with us some valuable insights of the program that you are offering at your department.
Yeah, the valuable insights of this particular program is we are offering an intensive courses and we are catering to both the requirements of programming and algorithms. Then we are also offering fundamental courses to establish the fundamentals of electronics. We have also given a well thought for the crossover courses that is covering both software and hardware aspects of the course or the program. And together with that, the intensive humanities track is also taken into consideration, which includes the soft skill development and management electives, so that the overall holistic program is being offered to the student and they will stand in the society or the market needs.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, my next question to you is that how does the program ensure that the students are being prepared for the future?
Yeah, the program offered by the department prepares students for the future by building lifelong skills. They are very important. One of the lifelong skill is that we encourage, that is department encourages teamwork. Then we are also establish a critical thinking skills among the students. We instills the responsibility, how responsibly they have to behave in the initially in the department, and when they pass out, when they become graduates, they have to behave responsibly with the responsibility in the industries as well as in the research areas wherever they are going. We also teach students to adapt to the environments, and we also instill career learning by doing. Then students, we also allow students to continuously track their technical skills for job readiness. We also provide complete assistance to the students in academics and their desired career options.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, my next question to you is that how did you train the faculty to deliver this program to the students?
Yeah, the department faculties undergoes various faculty development programs in the related areas. Faculties also undertake the courses offered by NPTEL, Swayam, Coursera, etc. By undertaking real-world students projects also, the faculties are trained to deliver the program. Then by undergoing the different training programs offered by different institutes and offered by the institute itself also, and by certain professional institutes, then we also adopt different methods to deliver the course to the students to get a complete grasp of the subject. One of the ways go for the traditional way, and the other one is to have an one-to-one interaction with the students. And at the same time, we also have a recording of the videos so that it can be used for the sharing to the students.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, my next question to you is that how do you tend to build an industry connect with this program?
Yeah, this is again a very important question asked Neha. The first step, the faculties as well as the department and the institute as a whole takes in undergoing internships for the students. That is, internships are offered. So we approach industries for the internships, and the students spends 4 weeks time from semester 1st to semester 7th. This is one way of connecting to the industries. Second way of connecting to the industries is we allow students to go for 6 months implant training. And the students are left for the 6 months, so that they can spend time of 6 months in the industries and learn the various aspects of the industries. Then we are also connecting industries by signing different MOUs with different industries. Then we are allowing students to get access, that is, to access for upskilling of the courses, softwares and other learning resources from industries also. Then by another way of connecting industries, that is to have an industry connect, is by arranging industrial visits for every semester. Students get an opportunity to spend an entire day in the industry and prepare reports, so they get a fair idea about how the industry works.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, please share with us some challenges that you have faced while inculcating this program in your curriculum.
Yeah. There are really very challenges for inculcating this program in the department. Actually, the field of electronics and computer engineering is highly competitive. The job roles will also be challenging. So to fit our students to the current industry demand, the design of the syllabus was really challenging. There is a social mindset or a social pressure that everybody wants to become a computer science engineer. So a program that caters the need of both hardware, software engineering, as well as the social demand or the mindset, is given a well thought before inculcating this program in the curriculum.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, my last question to you is that what are the benefits and career options after pursuing this course?
Yes, the first benefit I would like to tell is that there is a wide opportunity for this particular course, because students are learning both hardware and the software aspects of the program. That is, it is an amalgamation of electronics engineering and computer science. So they are having a wide opportunity in both hardware and software industries. Then there are good pay packages offered to this particular program by the industries, and as compared to other branches. Being an electronics and computer engineering, one gets to solve technical problems, then develop products, which leads to overall intellectual development of the student. So continuously their intellectual development is going on. And if we talk about the options, career options which are available, the candidates which are pursuing this particular course have a lot of scope in varied industries. With the advent of latest technological innovations, many employment opportunities have come up for electronics and computer engineering. They can work with both private as well as public firms in the areas of design, manufacture, installation, operations, and maintenance of electronics equipment and systems. Thank you, Neha, for giving me the opportunity to share my views on these different questions. On behalf of MIT, that is Marathawada Institute of Technology, and Department of Electronics and Computer Engineering, I would extend thanks to you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for connecting, and it was very good to hear you. I thank you again for being a part of the initiative. Thank you so much, ma'am.